have you managed to set up the subscription management dashboard in ServiceNow? If you haven't, contact me, I can help you with this. It's important that you get this set up correctly. If you don't, you run the risk of undercounting in your dashboard. So you might think you've purchased 100 licenses for a product and you've allocated 85 of those licenses, when in fact you may have allocated more and it's not being picked up in the dashboard. The subscription management dashboard requires some things to be set up correctly in order for it to report properly for you. The biggest cause of under-reporting or under-counting here is if you assign a role to someone individually and not via a group. The subscription management dashboard relies upon groups having roles being assigned to them and those groups being linked to the subscription management dashboard. If you're putting people into groups, assigning roles to groups, and then linking those groups to the subscription management dashboard, your numbers will be coming out pretty good. There are a couple of other cases where you will get a different count to what your ServiceNow account manager might provide you. I've had clients in the past who have been caught in this situation where they have received a call from their account manager to say, hey, you're oversubscribed on a license. Let's say it was ITSM, they bought 100 licenses. ServiceNow says, we can see you're using 140 licenses. And the client has gone in and looked and they've said, no, I'm looking at the subscription management dashboard and I'm only using 65. I've got plenty to go. The problem is that they have been subscribing licenses to individuals or they haven't linked a group to the subscription management dashboard. If this is something that you're struggling with, let me know. Contact me at contact@getsome.site and we can have a chat about how we can set this up for you so you've got an accurate reporting, and then I can help you with maybe talking to your account manager and see how we might optimize your licensing and just see how we can get the best value for you out of your ServiceNow licensing.